Got a 99 Toyota 4Runner here. I'm going to be showing you guys what to do to replace your spark plugs and your wires. This is not a very hard job. The main thing is you got to take this air box out. So you got a vacuum line here. You just pop out. Got a 10mm clamp. Once you loosen that 10mm bracket, this will slide out. And then you got your harness right here that you need to pry out. This one right here is already broken, so you need to take that off. And then you get a vacuum line that connects here. Take this clamp off, pull it out, and you get a vacuum line that connects here too. And then we're gonna loosen this clamp right here that's already fixed. So we should be able to pull it up. Okay, now we got plenty of room to take out our ignition coils. Then we got our wires here. Now you need to, if you have to take a picture of it so you know which wire goes to the cylinder. So if you're replacing all spark plugs, what you need to do is you need to disconnect the coils, the ignition coil harness, and then take this little thing out. Let me see, this got a tab that you need to pull up. Alright, so I got these two out. Now to take this little tab off, I use one of these pick tool. What you need to do is you need to pry up like that, and then you can twist the wire while you're pulling up at the same time. It'll come off. It looks like this. Now what I recommend you doing is you should be doing it one by one so you don't get all the wires mixed up. But I'm gonna show you how to remove that spark plug right now. I'm not gonna show you how to do the whole thing, but take this 10mm off. Ignition coil, twist it left to right and then pull up. And then now I got my long extension and I got my spark plug tool. Just stick it inside the cylinder. The spark plug tube, not the cylinder. And then hold it right here while you're turning it, loosening it up with your right hand, or if you're left-handed. Got our spark plugs out. As you can see, this one's actually, yeah, looks like it's about time to replace it. It's not too bad though. What I recommend you doing is do not take them all out at the same time. What you need to do, you see what I did right here? Okay. So I'm just gonna show you, this is what you need to be doing so you don't get it mixed up. What you do is you start off with one, leave everything how they should be, put the new plugs in, put the new spark plug in, then put the ignition coil back in, and then you take off one wire first. So you follow this wire. Let's see, this is I think a cylinder 5. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. You see what I'm doing is I'm removing one wire first. You don't want to remove them all at the same time. So I'm taking this one wire out. This one wire is out, almost out. So that leads to this cylinder right here. So now we can twist and pull up on this wire. So now that we got this out of the way, okay, I got this one out, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the new one and put it here, and then just put it back where it was before, and then change that plug, this side of the spark plugs, and then do it for the rest of them so you don't get the wires mixed up. All right, pretty simple, right? Hope this video helped you. If you got any questions, comment below. Click on that subscribe button, and again, if you got any questions, I try to reply to everybody. So yeah, put everything back together. Also, the torque of the plugs, I'm not sure exactly the right amount of torque. Just don't over tighten it, and then don't put it too loose, obviously. Anyway, hope this video helped you. If you got any questions, comment below. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.